I discuss on pre-installation of Exchange server components and the basic requirements review. This is the slide and I will show you the details which has been configured in the server 2003 and which are yet to configured for Exchange server to create a mail server. This is the components and activities of server. Number 1, the server is configured as domain controller. Yes, it is done in my server. The server's PC should have at least 2003 operating system, service pack 1. It is okay. And the server OS should be enabled with IPv6. It is also done. The server PC network settings should have default gateway and DNS IP. Yes, it is already assigned IP address and DNS IP. The default gateway is basically router IP and the DNS is server IP itself. It is also accepted and assigned. If no server exists, the server IP will be the gateway IP. It is also considered. The server machine should be configured IIS server role also. Yes, it has assigned the IIS server role for Exchange server installation, pre-installation purpose. Next, the domain trust level should be raised to Windows 2000 or 2003 native. So I will show it here, the steps as under start, admin tools, domain and trust. Click on domain and trust, and here the domain is Padma, and right click on it, and this is the raise functional level, and this is 2000 native. It is okay. Click on rise. This is if I enter domain. Yes, it is okay. So the functional level was raised successfully. Okay, this is done. The step is required for Exchange server purposes. Yes, it is clear the domain trust level should be raised to Windows 2000. Next slide is for requirement of patches and software. Now I have to install these patches for .NET framework, Microsoft Management Console, Windows PowerShell, and after that the next video I will show the Exchange server service pack 1 and the configuration. So these are the requirements, and after that the mailbox is configured in the Exchange server. I will discuss it later on. So now I installed this .NET framework, Microsoft Management Console, and Windows PowerShell. So here in drive E, I have kept the patches the required for Exchange pre-installation. The patches is .NET, MMC and PowerShell. So I will open the .NET first and install it. So it will start with a wizard, and click on next and accept the license, install, and it will configure and install in the location of C or E as per the default location of the software. The installation is in progress. It will install the .NET framework version 2.0 and the advanced patches is here. I will run the next hotfix version, which will the advanced patch for the .NET framework 2.0. So I wait till installation of this process. I will pause it for a little while. So it is completed, and click on finish. And as I told, the next patch is here, and dp20, and I will run this patches for hotfix version of .NET Framework 2.0. So okay, accept. It will install the advanced patch for .NET 2.0. Hotfix is some portion of software which is developed later on for the main component of the services or the software patches. It is installing .NET Framework 2.0 hotfix. So on completion, it is clear. I will click on OK. And next patch is for MMC 3.0. If the service pack is here, it will ask to accept the existing one. So I will try to accept the license and proceed for installation. So it will install the MMC, Microsoft Management Console. So this is completing the Microsoft Management Console. Next is PowerShell, and I will accept the license and wizard to install the Windows PowerShell 1.0, and it is better if it is advanced version of PowerShell, so we may update this later on. So this is the version process ID 3388, and I will accept as continue. Click on continue. It will install the Windows PowerShell version. PowerShell is required some command line interface in the to run advanced patches in the Windows graphics environment, and this is required for some specialized software portion. So that is all. These patches help to run the Accent Server Service Pack 1 2007, which is I have already started to do in the next video. So thanks for the viewing my channel. So please subscribe to my channel and view the next video for Accent server configuration on this server 2003 domain, and I will next restart this reboot this PC to actually configure the system. Thanks.